back to Danica D's World. It's been a little bit, but I have a wonderful haul for you guys. It's a Zaful haul. I bought a bunch of new swimsuits, a couple outfits, and a dress for the summer, and I'm so excited to get started. Sorry it's been a little while, you guys, but sometimes life gets in the way of life, if you know what I mean. The things that you want to do as opposed to the things that you should do. Some of these things you can't do. So I'm glad to be back. I hope that this continues. And those of you that are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would just love to have you in the Danica D world. And you guys, let me know if you want me to do a video about what's been going on in my life lately. So here we go with the Zaful haul. Lots of exciting suits. Oh, and I got a pair of sunglasses too. So let's start out with the swimsuits. Some of these I tried on because I just couldn't wait. And these other, I'll mention the ones that I haven't. And of course, I'm going to be trying these on for you all too. Let's get started. So the first one I just love. Zaful, I feel like they really stepped up their packaging in that. As you can see here, they got these really cool bags. And they just kind of zip open like that. I got all this stuff for under $150. So everything was really inexpensive. The suits are like $15. Okay, so here's the first one. It's like this snake skin print. And it's a bandeau top. I'm going to go through this real quickly, you guys. Also, because I don't have much time anymore to do these videos, it's going to be kind of a bare bones video. So I don't have to edit a lot. So I'm just going to keep going. And then I got this, the bottom is like a high-waisted bottom. And it's kind of like that seamless. It's seamless fit. This is in a medium. And it's kind of, I don't know which way is the front and back, but kind of a little bit of a, I don't know if it's a thong, not quite a thong, but it looks super cute on. And then it also came with this choker. So I will be rocking this at the beach. Just love this one. Next one here. Same thing, very nice packaging. This again is in a size medium. This is a one piece. And this one I kind of slipped on but didn't get it fully on. So it's like this. This I got in, it's kind of like a gray and white. There's the front, and then it did come with straps, so I will be wearing the straps with it just around the shoulder. I believe you can convert it two different ways, around the shoulder, yep, or just from the shoulder to the back of the shoulder. Next one, here's a black one. You can see that, that's the front, this is the back. And it's got that kind of scrunch butt there. And then the top goes over the shoulder, and then it like ties. So this is just a basic black suit. Next one. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this green suit. Kind of forgot what I ordered because I ordered so much. It's kind of like, it's a little lighter than like an army green, but it's got this detailing in the front. There's the back. And then this one, it's got the matching little thing in the front there. You can see. That one's super cute. Next one here. This one was on back order for a while. Oh, that's what I was going to say too. With the shipping, I thought it was going to take a super long time from what I heard and what I experienced in the past, but it only took like 2 weeks total. And then there was a back order on this one, but then they sent it at the same time. So this is in a medium. It's black and white. It's got that little cap sleeve. And the back is like this. You can't adjust it at all. So I'll just hope this one fits. And then here's the bottom I thought was really cute. And I feel like this is like a really good quality as well. Oh, and this one, I did look at the reviews online. When you're on their website, you can look at the reviews. I just clicked those real quick as I was going through. This one I did order in a large. So I was kind of, all the suits I did that. All of them are medium, except this one is in medium. This I got in this red color. It's kind of like a tomato color. Okay, this is the bottom. I don't know how this is going to look. This is the bottom, and it's got like these suspenders. And then here's the back. And it's kind of like a ribbed material, like cotton material. It's not like a shiny swimsuit material. And then here's the top. It's just this bandeau top. This doesn't come with any little straps to attach it. A bandeau top, and this again is in a medium. Never bought clothing from there before, so I was actually surprised. I did try them both on. They did fit. They do fit. This is a medium. This I got in navy blue and white. I don't know if my camera's picking this up. And it's lined and everything. It has a zip on the side. I would say these do run small. I would size up in just about everything. And then here's the top. And then it ties in the back. And this was like $15.99. And this is lined too. The next outfit I got is this really cute kind of tropical. This they had in like 3 other colors as well. The only thing that bothers me about this piece, I did try it on, it does fit, is when the sewing, or like when it goes together where they sew it, the pattern doesn't match. I don't know, I'm weird. Most people that probably doesn't bother, and it's so inexpensive anyways. But it looks really cute on. There's the bottom, and then here's the top. This did come in black, like a black background, white, and then this navy blue. I went with the navy blue. And it does look like it's kind of wrinkly, so I would iron this before I would actually wear this out. And then there's the back, and it's got this kind of little flowy sleeve on there. And then the next item, I was excited to get, because I was looking for like a dress, and I did look at the reviews, so I'm kind of a little bit surprised. I do remember this was like a marked down piece, like, I don't know, clearance or like a discounted sale. It's this dress. The dress is really pretty. It's in this bright red. I don't know, I must have been in like a red mood, wanting a few red items, because typically I don't buy red. And it's got that rouging, but unfortunately, this is too big for me. I mean, it does not look good on me. It should be like almost 2 sizes smaller on me, I feel, because it should be really fitted. And this item I want to say was like $11 or $12. They had it in a few other colors too. I probably won't send it back just because of with the shipping and that, so I don't know what I'll do with it. But I will try these on. Oh, one more thing too. Sunglasses. I ordered these sunglasses, just kind of was looking for something cool and that for the summer, and I'm glad I got them. And that's the end of the video, everyone. If you do enjoy these videos, please give me that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my Zaful haul, and until next time, Danica D will be right back at you with a lot of amazing things. Bye! I love this suit.